In this video, I will show you how to create an email sequence using the all-in-one digital platform, Builderall. Stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an email sequence. If you want to know how to create a list, because a list goes hand in hand with creating an email sequence, I'll try to put a tag at the top of the video right here on creating an email list. You need to have a list first in order to go to this step of creating an email sequence. So please look for that video on creating a list. But moving forward, to create an email sequence using Builderall, you want to go here. If you're in your back office to Builderall, you're going to come here to the drag and drop email marketing automation mailing boss. You're going to click enter. Once you click enter, you will go over here real briefly and you will see this is where your lists are. But in order to create a sequence, you want to go to campaigns. Once you go to campaigns, you will see email sequence. You want to click on that. And now we want to create a new email sequence. You want to name your email sequence whatever you want. Perhaps this email sequence is for affiliates that have signed up. And so you want to choose a list. This is very important right here, because if you haven't created a list, if you're new to Builderall, you've never created a list, you want to watch that video on how to create a list. And your lists are going to come up. So you remember from the last video on creating a list, we created this list, digital marketing tools, or digital marketing test. So that's the list we want to send our subscribers through an email sequence. And you want to choose the segment. It says you can users that clicked on at least one link, or subscribers, users that opened last campaign. So you can pick whatever user you would like here. So we just say, if they at least clicked on one, we want them. And here is important as well. It says you can send to future subscribers only, which I recommend, because if you don't send it to future subscribers only, you send it to current and future. That means people already on your list. So if you already have 100 people on your list, they're going to get the same email over and over, and you don't want that. So you want to send to future subscribers, save, and edit sequence. So now here you are. This is your first sequence set up, and this is the body of the email you want to send out. Perhaps you want to send out a warm welcome email to all your new subscribers. You want to thank them for joining. You want to thank them for whatever, for perhaps if they signed up for an affiliate offer, you want to show them how to get support. Perhaps through Builderall, if you're supporting or an affiliate through that, or whatever program you're highlighting. Show them what Facebook groups they could join, but make this warm welcome email. Of course, you want to change the subject of it to say something like welcome friends, welcome all, whatever the case may be. And once you've edited that and changed the subject, you will go over here and activate that email sequence. And once you activate it, then it'll be ready to send out. This is very important. If you do not activate this email sequence on what day you want it to start. So this is the first of the email sequences you're sending out. You want it to start immediately when someone subscribes. So immediately, no days. But when you go and add another email, this is the second email, and you don't want it to go out the same day as the first. So you're going to put a 1 here. You want to put after they subscribe, that person gets the second email the next day. You want to say time value 1 day right here, and then you want to save that. So that creates your sequence, and you can keep going here, adding another email. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some people do an email every day. Some do once a week. Whatever you prefer, whatever works for your business. And then you're going to go down here and click done. It's just that simple, guys. And you can create that email list, and there's other little tweaks you can do, but that will get you up and running, and you will be on automation. What a wonderful tool. Again, Builderall has this digital platform where everything is in one place. I don't have to pay for GetResponse and Aweber separately. It's included in this software program. So if you're interested in Builderall at all for growing your business, check the link in the description. We'll put it down there for you to check it out. Builderall, at the moment of this video, they have a 14-day free trial. You can try it out for free. Also, Builderall has a new plan starting in the year 2020 where they have the free website builder similar to a Wix or a Weebly. So you can build websites for free. Of course, you'll have the watermarks and things like that on it. But if that doesn't bother you, by all means, it's a great tool to use. So check out Builderall, guys. Email sequences. We'll try to come to you with another video regarding sales funnels down the road and the Cheetah drag and drop builders. These again are wonderful tools. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.